So today I'm about to show you how to view node prompt history in Flowith.io. First, open Flowith.io and select the specific node you've been working on. Look for the history icon. It usually looks like a small clock or a reverse arrow. Located in the node's toolbar or sidebar menu. Click it to open a log showing every version of the prompt you've sent and the corresponding AI responses. From here, you can compare different outputs or even restore a previous version if the earlier result was exactly what you needed. Pro tip: use the prompt history to track how small changes in your temperature or creativity settings affected the AI's behavior over time. And that's it. That's how you view node prompt history in Flowith.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.